Hey guys, it's Jay. I just wanted to show you guys really quick. I have a few cars here that I'm working on, but I want to show you this truck and just go through the reality of what it is to buy and sell vehicles from Copart or any other auction that you use. This one right here, it was listed as frame damage. I already checked, it has no frame damage. It's just a fender, bumper, grill, and a hood repair. In reality, you have to swap it out, but I'm just going to repair it. The other thing that you don't see in the photos is if you look at this right here, the tires are literally bald. So I had to get some tires for it. I got some used ones. These are a lot better condition than what these are. You can see right there, there's no meat left. I can't sell it like that because, you know, I wouldn't feel safe in those. One of the main reasons why I bought this one was because I might keep it for about a year or so because it's a 6-speed transmission. One of my fave. I'm not a big Dodge fan. This one has the V6 in it. It used to be somebody else's work truck because you can see how dirty and nasty it is. Manual locks, manual everything, which I'm okay with. I'm gonna show you the screenshot of how much I paid for it. I honestly don't think I'm gonna make money on this one. If anything, I'll make 500. I gotta paint, obviously, the fender and the plastic piece because it comes in black, but I'm gonna paint it white so it could look better. I don't know if I'll blend it into the door. I don't think it's worth it because it's a 2007 and obviously refinish the hood. I'll show you guys how much I paid, how much I'm potentially gonna make once I sell it.
So here's the invoice from Copart. As you can see, my final bid was $2,800. With all the fees, it's $37.32 and 96 cents. That does not include any parts or the towing fee. So with the bumper, fender, headlights, paint and everything, towing fee, inspection fee to get a salvage rebuilt title, with emissions and tags, came up with about $4,900. Keep in mind, this is about an $8,000 truck if it had a clean title, which it doesn't. It has a salvage rebuilt, so I don't know I'll be able to recoup my money. Probably sell it for, list it for about $6,000 and try to get, you know, 58 or 55 because it is a V6, not a V8, and a manual transmission. A lot of people don't drive manuals anymore, so in this case, you know, I don't think I'm gonna make a lot of money, but at least I'll be able to use it for personal use before I get rid of it.
This is a 2015 Scion TC. This one does have a lot of damage. As it is right now, I paid under $2,000. I'll show you the screenshot right now. But this one does need a fender apron. But I'm just gonna repair this and replace this. This is part of the core. It does sustain a lot of damage. I did replace the fuse box already. This one's in the works. But as it is, about $3,000 into it. I'll show you that. These tires are pretty good. So at least this one came with pretty good, decent looking tires. On this one, I will make anywhere between 2,000 to, I would say, 3 or 4,000. So anywhere between 2 and 4 I'll make on profit on this one. This one has 107,000 miles. It is automatic, so it's a lot easier to sell. You can see all the other stuff down there. It's in good condition overall. So on this one, I will make money as soon as it's done, but I'm not currently working on this one.
So this is the Copart invoice. My final bid was $1,300 plus all the fees. I ended up paying $19.62 and 31 cents, which is a good deal for this year, this mileage, and of course a Toyota product. Comment below, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this purchase. So I spent about $900 right now. Bumper, hood, fender, hinges, and a brand new battery with paint supplies, you know, clear coat, base coat, sealer, adhesion promoter, and all that good stuff. I'm thinking another $350. So all in with emissions and level 3 inspections, I'm thinking about $3,500. This car retails, you know, anywhere between $8,000 to $10,000 if it had a clean title, but in this case it'll have a rebuilt title, which I'm okay with. I don't have any issues. So I'll be able to retail it for about $7,000, $6,500, which is not a bad return. So, you know, I'm thinking about $1,000 in labor and the rest, $2,500 in profit, which is not bad. So in this case, I will make money.
If you guys know my previous videos, don't buy Audi. That's an Audi. That's an Audi. They're just sitting. I think I'm just gonna part them out. At this point, they've been sitting too long. Anyway, going over here, this one's a 2015 Scion XB, I believe. This one's all parts as well. I'm just gonna repair the door edge right here. Well, I don't got, but I still gotta buy the fender, the bumper, reconnect the condenser. There's nothing really wrong with it. I'm gonna repair this. You should replace it in our reality, but it's just a little dent. If it was folded or something, then yeah, I would replace it. It has a little tweak on the left core right here. The upper tie bar, all the parts are in the back. I'll show them to you guys right now. There's no frame damage. Just the core is a little tweaked, but nothing too crazy. So this one, with the shipping and everything, I think I'm 2,500 into it. This one has the same 108, 107,000 miles. On this one, I will make money as well. This one I will make the same amount, anywhere between 2,000 to 4,000, depending on the buyer. I know I'm gonna sit on it for a bit, so I'm gonna use it as a daily for a bit because of the manual transmission. Not a lot of people drive manual nowadays. All the parts are in the back, the bumper, fender. You can see all the parts. I do need headlights, so the whole thing, the whole front end has to be rebuilt. I'll show you guys a screenshot right now.
So final bid was $1,600 with all the Copart fees. I'm looking at $23.84 and 30 cents, which is not bad for a 2015 with 107, 108,000 miles. On this one, I am gonna make a little bit of money. I'm thinking about the same amounts, 34, 3,500. Once it's rebuilt, which is not bad, I'll be able to sell it or list it for the same price, about 6,500 to 7,000. Not bad because this vehicle retails, anywhere between 8 to 10,000 if it had a clean title, but in this case, the same thing, we have a rebuilt title. So in this case, as you guys can see, I will make money and not lose.
Here's the back so you guys can see. It'll be a nice little daily driver for somebody. This is my current project. This is a 2015 Kia Forte. I'm in the middle of rebuilding this one. You can see the old impact bar, how it has a crease right there. Put a new one on already. I just painted the hood, the bumper. And this is the reality about buying these cars. Look, this car has 91,000 miles on it. I'll show you how much I paid for it right now. But look at the tires on these. They're all dry rotted. So I'm scared to use these. On this one, I won't make any money on it. I'll break even. If I could make anything, I'm gonna make 500 bucks, which is okay, I guess. But I wouldn't be able to survive if I was a real business, as I only do this as a hobby for now. You can see right here, this is all prior. Somebody's been here before. You can see the clear, and the thing is, I can't really sell it for much with all these prior damages. You could tell they didn't. Look at the clear, it's already starting to fail. So it's hard for me to sell it for a pretty penny when it has all this armor damage in the rear. I didn't really pay attention, so that's my fault. You can see right here, look at how thick the bundle they use. So I got a new bumper for this, and also look at this. This is all, I didn't even see this in the photos, you couldn't see it. So I don't even know the frame is bent. So I still gotta look into it. These are the new headlamps I got. But this is the reality of buying cars from auction. You just don't know where you're gonna get. At least I buy them from Tucson and Phoenix. So, they're 2 hours apart. So you guys have seen in my other videos. So yeah, this is the reality. Look, this is the crappy job they did. They put a drywall screw in there. And that's not how you should do this. But it is what it is. It does close. So on this one, with all the parts I've put into it, I got it for 2,500 bucks. I think I'm like 4 grand into it, 45. Once everything's done and said. It does only have 91,000 miles on it. It is still pretty clean. It does have the 1.8, which is supposed to be more reliable than the 2.0. Yeah, that's where I'm at with this one. Oh, I got this one, and I got the truck that I'm probably gonna break even, but then I'll make my butt on that one and on this one. This one right here, I just bought it for an engine swap that I'll get to it eventually. Here's that Kia Forte coming along. This one I'm gonna break even. The only thing is, I'll be able to use it, but if I was a dealer, then it's not good if you're not making money and you're putting this amount of labor into it to rebuild it. I'm trying to be as transparent as I can be. I'm not trying to be negative or anything, and so you guys saw the realities, on some cars you make money and some you don't. That's the hard part when you're getting started, because if you take a loss on your second buy or say your third buy, it's hard to recover from that. And I say that because it's happened to me. I was buying one car, flipping it, buying another, and keep on making money to stack it. But then on the third or fourth, boom, you take a loss, and it's not good when you have limited funds, and you're working full time and you gotta pay rent, bills, and all that crap. So I just wanted to share with you guys my experience at this point. I've been doing this since 2018, so this is why I have about 8-9 cars, but I had to work my way up, and I have taken some losses And in this case, you guys could see, on this one, I'll break even. So if you guys want to see more videos, of each individual vehicle getting rebuilt or the end result of what I sold it for, subscribe, like. If you guys have comments, comment below and let me know what you guys think of each vehicle. Which one did you like the best? Did I overpay? Did you think I got a good deal or not? I will see you guys on the next one and talk to you later.